Hi.
I was just waiting for 11:45. I thought you guys have some prep to do. That's why I was ready actually.
Not an issue. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm so sorry. I thought actually that we were coordinating with Z5 team. मैंने वो मैसेज ठीक से पढ़ा नहीं तो I'm sorry about that. मुझे लगा Z5 की
No.
टीम से coordinate कर रहे हैं.
I don't know. That's okay. That's fine. So tell me, how are you? What you are doing?
I'm doing good, thank you. I'm just not. I've been trying to keep as busy as I can. Obviously, lockdown हो रहा है. Lockdown है नहीं यहाँ पे. मैं actually
Hmm.
फिलहाल कनाडा में हूँ.
Hmm.
But social distancing तो obviously हम कर रहे हैं. तो उस हिसाब से I don't go out much. I'm mostly home. I work out at home
Okay.
and I binge watching on movies and shows and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. So वहाँ पे as such no lockdown there. मतलब everyone is going out and doing their work.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे everybody is not going out for necessities. अगर कुछ चाहिए उनको groceries है वो सब उसके लिए बाहर जा सकते हैं. But ऐसे socializing करने के लिए नहीं.
अच्छा. Okay. So you are ready for the show because tomorrow it's releasing. So कैसा चल रहा है? कैसा
Yeah, yeah, I'm
nervous?
damn ready. So I I said I'm really excited actually. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's been a journey from obviously from season 1 to season 2, and the experience has been it's been overwhelming, very different experience to the first season. I think first season we were very laid back. हमारे पास बहुत time था, हमने rush नहीं किया. But इस बार with this whole situation of and even the context of even the way the show was supposed to be shot, we obviously had to not rush, but we had a really strict timeline that we had to finish the shoot by. So I'm just happy that everything got done and we're ready with the product.
Yeah, so part one was very huge hit. So अभी कैसा लग रहा है सेकंड पार्ट रिलीजिंग पे है तो नर्वसनेस है या जिस तरीके का बना है कैसा फील आ रहा है कि उतना टक्कर दे पाएगा या क्या कुछ है मन में क्या चल रहा है?
एक्चुअली जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है आई थिंक कि पहला जो सीजन था it was very they were just introducing the characters and you're just getting to know what Jefferson World School is. I think now we're much more involved in in their stories. I think now it's not it just moves on. It's very pacey. I think you might go through a few episodes and you might just think you just finished one. So I think it keeps you gripped, but definitely I think this one's more massy. I feel like it's the people who are more filmy will be enjoying this. The songs, the romantic Bollywood tracks that they have, the rock music they have. Ankur Tiwari coming on board. I think I think every element is a notch higher to what we had in first. Sneha Kanhulkar, I think she gave us brilliant music for first season, so there was a lot of expectations. Unfortunately, we couldn't collaborate this time, so Ankur got the music and Ashutosh Pathak. So I think they did a great job, but really looking forward to it.
So story wise or content wise what we are going to see in this? Is it a proper difference या फिर एक sequel है या what exactly this is? Content wise क्या है इसमें?
Content wise, actually, I think that it's although it connects to the first season, I think it has a complete own premise, a separate premise this time.
Okay.
I feel like अगर लोगों को लगता है कि अगर मैंने सीजन 1 नहीं देखा तो शायद मुझे आइडिया नहीं लगेगा कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है. पर ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. अगर आपने सीजन 1 देखा भी नहीं है और सिर्फ आपने रिकैप देखा है या जो भी हो, आपको सेकंड सीजन फिर भी समझ में आ जाएगा. And I think it has got a really tight it's got a tight script. I think it's got brilliant performances again with Sumit Vyas and Isha Gupta being on board. I think even us, we've got so used to we've understood the chemistry between that it takes with an actor with the directors. I think I've understood Goldie much better. All the actors have, and vice versa. He's understood us better. So there's much more comfort in doing this season. So I think everybody, जब आप comfortable हो जाते हो, तो you start exploring creativity together. You don't feel that pressure of the director on actor, comfort level that will show this time on camera. But yeah, I think I feel I don't want to resist in saying that I think we have a better product compared to first season, and I hope inshallah it does well. But we'll leave that up to the audience.
तो जब इतने सारे एक्टर्स होते हैं, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं किसी सीरीज में या फिर फिल्म में, स्क्रीन स्पेस कैसे शेयर करी और मतलब आर यू कंफर्टेबल जो भी है, या आर यू ओके कि इतना जितना वट एवर यू गॉट दैट इज
I
यू?
I think as an actor अगर कोई अगर अगर कोई भी एक्टर ये सोच के जाता है कि what मेरा screen space कितना होगा, तो I feel like that holds him back from giving his or her full potential to the role, regardless of what the duration of what the screen time is. So I think every actor in the show, I feel like there's no one particular lead. Everybody, from everybody's perspective, you can think that this might be the story, because there's so many things happening. With the personal angle of Sumit Vyas has a story of its own. Isha Gupta's character, she's struggling with her own issues. Arav, on the other hand, Anisha, Kiara's character, Maddie, these are all prominent characters. So screen space is another issue, because I think everybody has got their bit of importance to give to the show. So that has never been an issue, but I'm happy with what I think this season. I'm doing a double role. So I'm doing a double role this season. So for me, I would if there's anything I complained about during shoot, was me overshooting, because I was almost shooting 12 to 14 hours every single day. Rehearsals अलग से, हमारी जो हमने थोड़ी बहुत जिम्नास्टिक्स भी की थी सेट पे, तो उसकी रिहर्सल्स अलग से, तो ऑब्वियसली हमें प्रेप करना था, साथ साथ में शूट कर रहे थे हम.
Okay.
So obviously, thoda sa was a bit overwhelmed, but it was a ride. It was definitely a ride.
What is your favorite genre, and is there anything in your bucket list? Is there any particular story? Is there any particular project that you're looking for?
See, I've always been, I've always leaned towards drama, more romantic pieces. I've loved action. I've loved action all my life, but I feel like if there's one genre that I've always sort of leaned towards, because I'm a big fan of music. And a lot of times music comes when there's romantic movies, right? Generally. So I've leaned towards that genre. But as an actor, I feel like I'm open to anything. I think comedy would be really, really interesting, and I would actually get to see what my true potential is as an actor if I do comedy. But I'm not sure what the future holds. So let's see. Fingers crossed.
गाना गाते हैं आप मासी?
ऐसे बाथरूम सिंगर्स जो कहते हैं लोग ना, बाथरूम सिंगर्स जो आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में गाते हो, तो मैं ऐसे कभी कभी गा लेता हूँ. तो ऐसे कभी ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली है मैंने. मुझे म्यूजिक का बहुत शौक है. मतलब आई थिंक आई स्टार्ट द डे विद लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, एंड आई एंड ऑफ द डे बाय लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, बट I've never really pursued it.
तो कुछ सुना दीजिए, बिकॉज आपकी सीरीज भी इतनी म्यूजिकल है और आप खुद भी म्यूजिक लवर है, तो कुछ तो डेफिनेटली अपने फैंस के लिए कुछ अपना फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग, ऐसा कोई फेवरेट सॉन्ग नहीं. I will sing a song from we had a song released today called Ranjana. So I'll just sing one line.
प्लीज.
दिल का हाल मेरा समझ ले तू, अब मन के तारे तूने छेड़े हैं जो सब ना सता, अब तो आ भी जा रांझना, अब तो आ भी जा रांझना वे माहिया.
क्या बात है. नहीं, आप बाथरूम सिंगर तो पक्का नहीं है, आप उससे बहुत बहुत बेटर है ऑफ कोर्स.
Thank you. Actually, I wasn't prepared, but आपने insist किया तो I thought I'll give
That's
it
so
a
sweet of you. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने. आपकी ऐसी मतलब आपके जो पूरे ग्रुप में इतने सारे लोग हैं इस सीरीज में, सबसे क्लोज किसके रहे यहाँ पर? क्या कुछ किया सेट पे? मस्ती बताइए, क्योंकि सब लोग आप ही के एज ग्रुप के हैं ऑलमोस्ट.
I think जो बॉन्ड है मैडी के साथ बहुत अच्छा है.
ओके.
सबसे ज्यादा वक्त दोनों साथ में बिताते हैं सेट पे. तो I think he knows, if anything, he knows all my secrets, and I know most of his secrets. तो जब सीक्रेट बात आती है, हम दोनों को हंसी आती है, because हम दोनों एक दूसरे के बारे में इतना सारा कुछ जानते हैं.
Okay.
We have that bond. Prabneet's, I think he's somebody that he's always there with us. Me and Maddie are together, so I think it's of us mostly. But I think everyone's close, to be honest. By the end of second season, everybody became like family. And even with Goldie said, spend every other day in his room, just go and we would not talk about work and just talk about movies and purane gaane and dance and have must. Yeah, that's it.
नाइस. तो अभी कौन सी वेब सीरीज फॉलो कर रहे हैं आप, और कुछ देख रहे हैं या क्या चल रहा है अभी?
Actually मैंने अभी एक एपिसोड देखा है अभी तक, मनी हाइस्ट का.
Okay.
तो I have not got a chance to watch any further episodes, but मुझे मनी हाइस्ट देखना है. I think there's one more show on Hotstar, Special Ops, that I want to watch.
That is
But
fabulous.
yeah, I've heard lots of good things. So I think once inshallah rejects and I watch my show, then I'll watch the rest of the shows.
तो अभी क्या चल रहा है? कुछ प्रोजेक्ट पे काम चल रहा है other than this upcoming projects? और क्या क्या है अभी?
Actually, everything I think is on hold right now. It's on pause. So there were potential projects that I had spoke about, but right now everything you don't know how it's turn out. So for now, I'm just trying to work on myself. Keep myself. I just want to learn right now. Actually, I'm trying to just keep myself learning. I think it's a good time to sort of back and reflect and work on yourself. And I'm not too stressed about what comes next. Whatever comes, I think will come when it needs.
तो मासी आप वहीं पे रहते हैं? आप कहाँ, आपकी फैमिली कहाँ की है और आप कहाँ पे रहते हैं आप?
मेरी फैमिली कनाडा में ही रहती है. वो रहते हैं कनाडा में.
Okay.
तो मैं कभी 3 महीने यहाँ तो 6 महीने फिर वापस 3 महीने यहाँ पे. तो ऐसे मैं मतलब I stay at both places.
Okay. So you were born and brought up there only, or where?
No. So I was brought up in Canada for most of my life. I've lived my initial in Kabul, Afghanistan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've spent a few years of my childhood there.
Okay.
And then मैं India, I think I came in 2014. 2014 के end को मैं India आया था.
ओके. तो मासी बात करने का सिलसिला तो बहुत लंबा रहेगा हमारा, बट ऑफ कोर्स टाइम का कुछ लिमिटेशंस है. तो आप अपने फैंस को एक मैसेज दे दीजिए और बताइए कि कितने पार्ट्स में है और क्यों देखें इसको.
और देखें इसको. I think जितने लोगों ने सीजन 1 देखा है अभी तक, और अगर उनको पसंद आया है सीजन 1 तो सीजन 2 डेफिनेटली पसंद आएगा. इसमें I think it has a element to it. It has a romantic element to it. It has a drama element to it, action. It has most elements, and I think it's been done with a lot of love. So I'm sure that people who watch will like season 2. And special message यही होगा कि आप लोग प्लीज जो वक्त है आप लोगों के पास अभी लॉकडाउन का, यूज इट वेरी क्रिएटिवली. आई थिंक it's a beautiful time to just learn anything you want to learn. For me this is like a golden period, but I want to learn so much. As long as they're learning, and that's it, and the rest will follow.
So हमारी तरफ से भी wish you all the very best मासी आपको.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you so much.
हम फिर आप आइए, फिर हम मुलाकात करते हैं.
पक्का. Thank you, Richa. Take care.
Yeah, thank you so much, Nazi. Bye.
No problem. Bye.